Got the SE5A ready to go. Got everything done on it. I got reinforcement here. Let's see. Cleaned all the struts, all the rust off the metal struts. I got another support here. Carbon fiber strip. Now the tail is solid. Started painting the bottom a little bit, just on the tips, white. I gotta put a few more coats. Go do some more coats on it and see if I can hold the plane up. See it from over here. What do you think? So, gotta put some more coats on it. And it's snowing out again, so we can't do a flight on it today. Got a couple of UMX in here, a couple of timbers. Got a new Carbon Z Splendor in the box I came across. Oh, got a little Mustang in there. Got old Cub over there, giving away to a buddy, and Pete 47. Got a little Cub down there. I'm gonna do a retro on. Gotta take all the components out, change the motor. What we're gonna do is add ailerons on the wing. Oh, let's see if I can reach it. Gonna take this into a straight wing. Put ailerons on it, put servos on the wings, and put a brushless motor on it. I did one in Texas, and it absolutely flies. Beautiful. And over here I got a couple more thinking about. All right, there's the Splenda. There's my Dallas doll with the E-Flight motor in. That's all painted. I painted. But this little T28, I'm thinking about putting lights on it. It's an older T28. I'm gonna put them strip lights on, I think. And we'll see how that works out for night flying. Keep it a 3-cell, keep it pretty much standard stock. Just add some lights to it. Hell yeah, all right.